So what's up mga kalog? Maalog-alog na naman tayo for the next video At atin nga kami ng birthday. So di po ng aming kaibigan. At kaya lang tayo. Kaya everything is alright guys. Let's go! Hindi na ngayon guys. Kasama ko yung apat guys. Mga gwapo naman sa. Let's go! Lang namin. Nandito na kakabi. Nakapapasok na kakabi. Ito kasama namin guys. Ganyan ako ang guwapo. Yan kami guys. Sheesh. Guys, nagpipictura mo lang sila guys. Tapos mamaya tayo na. Mabatak na lang tayo mamaya. Birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wow, it's your birthday! Happy birthday to you.
Okay. Wish me.
Yay! Yun na guys. Sheesh. Isa na ko na ito, ice cream cake. Unahin ko na guys. Ganyan. So ayan guys, kinakain mo na nga. Sarap guys. Ganyan ko ng tikip. Ang sarap. You know that I love ice cream cake. Fill up home kasi guys, ako muna na. Yung mga kaibigan ko guys, kumakain na sila. Hi! Ice cream guys, ice cream masarap. Nakakaulam, sarap! So what's up guys, may singer tayo.
This angel has gone away from me.
Oh! Shout out gali sa mga babae ni Resmark.
For all eternity, now this angel has gone away from me. Know that I descend to set her free. But I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back to me? Oh.
Wala nang tao guys.
Wow.
Grabe guys, ganyan tayo kalakas guys. Kakagising lang natin. Wala nang tao. Sabog ako. Sabog ako. Ito na lang konti na lang natitira guys. Sila na lang natitira. This video, uwi na nga kami. Thank you. Happy birthday. Ito palagi. Thank you. What's up? Bye-bye.